So you've got a flat tire. Now what? What you want to do is you want to get what is often called a piece of bacon, and oftentimes people are confused by what that is. There are different setups from Lesign, Genuine Innovations, or my favorite, Muck Off, and these little strips of the bacon. And what you want to do is, once you've found the hole, if you're having trouble finding the hole but you think you know where it is, do one of my tricks where you get some spit on your finger, you put it in there, and if there's air in the tire, you'll see it bubbling that liquid right there. What you want to do is get your tool, and I'm using the one from Muck Off. I like this because it's got your thread sewing thing for your bacon, but more importantly, it's got this reamer here, and that will make your hole a little bit bigger and a little bit rougher so that your plug will stay. You want to thread the bacon through, and you thread it like you would thread on a needle. Sometimes I twist it a little and it helps it get in there. And then what you want to do is you want to put that plug down into the hole, push it in so that the plug's in there a good way so most of it's inside. I usually kind of grab it and then you pull real quick. And then when you pull it out, it leaves the plug in there, and voila, your tire is now sealed and you're ready to inflate it and go back and hit the trail again and have fun for the rest of your day.